That looks like a healthy cake.
Same as the biscuit, but this one has butter, whereas the biscuit does not.
There's no need for fancy tools in Ineffable's kitchen. Just a bowl and our hands is all that's required. I've tried this cake before. It's so tasty and yummy, and it's like a power bar, but it's a cake. I recommend it highly. Look at these, all ready to go. Can't wait to try them. So, Ineffable Goddess still has lots of apples in the garage waiting to be used. So now she's making these wonderful apple nutrition cakes filled with goodness. They go extremely well with our jams, which is an apple jam and a pumpkin jam. Now, fresh apple in the batter means that the cake is moist and tasty and doesn't need any icing whatsoever. And the herbs and spices that she puts in here is wonderful.
There's herbs?
And apples in there. Moist and not too sweet. And the stuff that's in it, don't know what it is, but it makes it just a perfect snack. Anytime. Oh, Ineffable Goddess, I don't know if you've noticed, but this is the last piece. And I was just wondering, who did you make this big piece for?
This delicious cake is my own creation. I hope you try it. Thank you.
Tastes so good. I think I'll have more. Do you need a nap?